Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to decrease the size of your Outlook display. If you have ever felt that your email interface is too bulky and want to clear up some screen space, you are in the right place. Let's get started immediately. First, navigate to the Microsoft Outlook login page using your preferred web browser. Once the site loads, locate and click the Sign In button. If your login details are already saved, simply select your account. Otherwise, enter your email and password to continue. After you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your Outlook Mail homepage. This is the primary hub for accessing all your messages. If you aren't already there, head into the Mail section. While this is typically the default view upon signing in, you can easily switch to it via the main menu. Once you are on the Mail page, pick any email from your inbox and click to open it. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as opening an email allows us to access the specific toolbar required for these adjustments. With the email open, look at the top of your screen for the menu bar. Find the tab labeled View and click it to reveal a variety of display tools. In the resulting menu, look for the Zoom option. This specific tool is designed to help you modify the scale of your email text and interface. Click on Zoom to open a small settings window. Here, you will see several percentage options along with a minus sign or a slider, depending on your version. To make the view smaller, click the minus icon or move the slider to the left. Adjust the level until the size feels perfect for your screen. Once you have found a comfortable zoom level, you can close the settings window. You will immediately see that your Outlook interface appears much more organized and less crowded. That is how you successfully shrink your Outlook view with just a few clicks. Changing the zoom level can significantly improve your workflow, especially when handling a high volume of messages. Feel free to follow these steps again whenever you need to adjust your display. Thanks for joining us today, and happy emailing.